And coming back to this nitrogen pressure test, I noticed something else. The hoses are all screwed up. Take a look at this. I guess when you ask for a shop to waive your deductible or do it for cheaper, do you see the muffler right there where it's pounded up and right next to the alternator? Let me see if I zero in. See right there, that connection point right in the middle? Now that's screwed up. This line is bent backwards. That hole, and look up there where the tube is just coming into contact with the alternator. So the lines are all bent. And if you notice, this line right here is rubbing against the sharp sheet metal where it's going to vibrate. So the engine is going to rock back and forth every time you shift, go forward and reverse. And as the engine rocks, this rubber line is going to rub on that hard sheet metal there. If you look down here, this line right here is supposed to come out straight like this, not bent back like this. Yeah, that's all effed up. And if we come over here, yeah, so there's different qualities of what's called quality work and acceptance to make money. These are the kind of things that fail later on or lead to very expensive repairs. All right, I'll just get on, go with what I'm doing and I'm told to do.